So we're working on Murdercon's murder dually. He's going out of town this week, so we got to get it done. So we went with the MTI enclosure and 4 ground zero 8-inch. This thing's gonna pound. We're gonna drop a 3K on it. It's gonna be serious. This truck's fully loaded, so it makes it more difficult to integrate because it has the Bang & Olufsen system in it. So being that it has the B&O system, this makes it super difficult to interface with, but we got it handled. It's always a good day when you're installing some of your favorite product, Ground Zero Sound Digital, in one of your favorite clients' cars, Nick Murdercon, on his murder dually, using excellent product from some of your business partners, Chris Pate, MTI Acoustics Enclosures. It's a beautiful day out. We're doing 4 of these high power 8s on a Sound Digital 3K. Should rock the hell out of the inside of Nick's F-350. Look at the build quality of the MTI enclosures. Everything's overbuilt, huge speaker terminals, 12 gauge oxygen free copper stinger wire. The enclosure came just like this. All we had to do is dismantle it, install the woofers, wire up the amplifier.